Hi there, Richard here and welcome at IWA 2024. We're here at the FNC booth checking out the newest FNC. So as you can take a look, this is one of the most iconic FN rifles out there currently. And people know this from pretty for Call of Duty films and movies. And FNC decided to make this for you guys this year. So tell me about it. How this came to be?
Okay, everybody, my name is Ray from the Vega Force company, and about this, the FNC GBBR. Yeah, it is the world first GBB of FNC, I think. As my memory, we don't have another FNC GBB before, and very luckily we get the license from the Cybergun. And about this FNC, we make a lot of steel part inside. You know, this is our style.
Yeah, completely steel.
Completely steel, and the fresh hider is steel, but the barrel is aluminum. The outer barrel is aluminum. Because recent years we start to make some aluminum outer barrel for the players because we think like sometimes the steel barrel for players sometimes too heavy and will make will not very easy to operating. But maybe in future, if the player they have some, if they need, maybe we will produce the steel barrel also. And the most key feature is about we are the FNC. We have the 3-buster mode here.
3-round burst.
Yes.
It's like. The FNC is known for the 3-round burst and a fully automatic and a single shot. So it has three modes, like single, burst, and automatic, right? Yeah.
And all the proceeds we are to try to make close the real one. So you can see the stamp here, and about the bodies, we try to make like real, so it's not very easy.
Oh no, I understand.
Yes, and also the folding stock here. This folding stock is
very stiff.
Yeah,
like it should be.
Yeah.
So it shouldn't collapse on itself.
Yeah. Right. So we are to make this functional. But also we use the magazine.
It's still accessible.
It's the magazine. We use the same like we are our M4 magazine.
You just a regular Gen 3.
Gen
3 magazine.
Regular Gen 3 magazine. So if you have our VFC's AR's magazine, you can also use it on FNC.
Yeah, and you set the adapters for like this, so you can make any tactical gun.
Yes. Also, we have the FNC pistol adapter here, so you can change the stock by yourself. And also, we have the M-look handguard here.
So you can make something like this for the nostalgia players. You can go like what you have here and just go full modern with
the upper rail also here. So our player can make the tactical version by themselves.
All right. Do you have any idea when the release date will be?
In Asia, we will release in this year, April, in Asia first.
Asia
and first. If you ask me what time we'll release in Europe, it depends on Cybergun because this is licensed product from Cybergun. So release date and the retail price, it's all depends on Cybergun.
Right. Asia first as usual, and then the rest of the world will get it just in time.
So we will just release in Asia first.
So for the European guys or US guys, you can also order from Asia first, and then before the retailers get it in Europe.
Okay, thank you.
Well, thank you for explaining about the FNC.
Okay.
Stay tuned for more IWA 2024. And we move on to the next gun from FNC.